Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Free Flow is a spacious and beautiful two-bedroom house with swimming pool and a one attached bedroom apartment, perfect for long or short-term rentals or as an in-law suite. Ideally located in Tower Isle, St. Mary and 10 minutes from Ocherius. This unique property offers a private oasis, walking distance from shops and restaurants. The property has separate gated driveways for the main dwelling and attached apartment, ensuring privacy for both sets of occupants. The half-acre lot has a number of fruit trees, including mango, coconut, Otaiti apple, and breadfruit. The house is open and airy, with a constant sea breeze. Stairs to the roof provide a magical space to enjoy spectacular sunsets and moonscapes. All bedrooms and living room of apartment are equipped with AC units. The house has been approved for a second story. This is an ideal property for a creative person, a family, or an investor. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. asking price for this house is US $890,000 or Jamaican $136.9 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.